Hi everyone, it's Jill from Today's Creative Food, and we are making a unicorn cake today. I have some friends helping me. This is Jordan and this is Kennedy, and they asked me to teach them how to make a unicorn cake. But the most important thing they said is they want to use fondant, and I told them it's a lot of fun. It's kind of like using Play-Doh. Do you guys like to play with Play-Doh? All right, we're going to have some fun today, so let's get started. First, I'm going to show you how I made the unicorn horn and the ears, and I prepped them before they came. And I'm also going to show you how I used a round cake, cut it in half, and made the face of the unicorn. So let's get started. The girls have already started rolling out. We made already a bunch of shapes that kind of look like leaves. And this is going to be our unicorn mane of the horse. We have all different colors. And they're just gonna roll it out with a fondant. All right, we're gonna make a whole bunch of these and then we're gonna put them on the cake. So girls, you guys did such a great job. We did all of these fondant colors. I used the Wilton pack of 4 color packs. So you guys are ready to make this into a beautiful unicorn? All right, we're gonna do it right now. All right. We are done, you guys. Can you believe how cute this turned out? I am so impressed with all of you. I think you don't even want to look at it anymore. You just want to eat it, right? Mm-hmm. All right, thanks for joining us today. This was so much fun. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.